Swagbucks region lock errors usually happen because the platform detects that your IP address or account location doesn't match the country your account was created in, and that mismatch blocks access to surveys and offers. By the end of this, you'll know why region locks happen, what you can safely check on your account, and the exact steps to restore access without risking a permanent restriction. The first thing to check is your current location setting inside your Swagbucks profile. If your account was created in one country, and you're now logging in from another, the system can automatically restrict features or block certain pages entirely. This is normal for reward platforms because offers are licensed by region. Next, check your network connection. Swagbucks uses IP detection, so switching between mobile data, public Wi-Fi, or different networks can trigger a mismatch. If you recently traveled or changed internet providers, that alone can cause a region lock warning. The safest step is to stay on one stable connection and avoid anything that hides or changes your location, including VPNs, proxies, or browser extensions that route traffic through other regions. These tools are one of the most common reasons accounts get flagged. If your account is still blocked after stabilizing your connection, log in once from your usual device and go directly to the Swagbucks Help Center. Submit a support ticket explaining that your access is being restricted due to a region detection issue. Include your registered email and your current country so support can verify your account location. Do not try to switch regions manually or create a new account for a different country. Swagbucks treats that as policy circumvention, and it can lead to permanent account limitations across all related accounts. Also avoid repeatedly refreshing login attempts from different devices. That pattern can look like automated access and make the restriction harder to lift. In some cases, region locks are temporary and clear automatically once the system confirms consistent location data. In other cases, support may ask you to confirm your country before restoring full access. The key points are simple. Your location and IP must match your account region. You should avoid VPNs and unstable networks. And if the issue continues, support is the only safe way to resolve it. Your next step is to connect through a stable network that matches your real location and attempt a single login. If the restriction remains, submit one clear support ticket and wait for a response. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward fixes for Swagbucks and reward platforms.